Monomaga Bandits Early Bird Special Wednesday, December 28th, College Basketball Edition. MD East Shore versus Columbia. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, support the channel. It's good karma for you. Early Bird Special. Start your day with a winner. Check out Bandit's Late Night Special. Have you been losing all day? Bandit's got your back with the Late Night Special winner. MD Shore versus Columbia. Money recommend playing. MD East Shore first half on the money line. MD East Shore first half money line. Money recommend the king of the 1 minute videos. Making you money 100% free in 1 minute. Money maker out. Choo 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 choo.